All right, thank you for taking the time to watch my YouTube video. We're on Clark Street. We're gonna make a U-turn by West Jefferson and Clark. Just trying to figure out what that is there. On the other side of all that was Canada, or is Canada, I'm sorry. But anyways, we're on Clark Street right now, Southwest Detroit. If you want to see some of Detroit, just watch this video. I'm just trying to take a look around, make sure I'm not going to hit any of these potholes here. Lovely roads in Wayne County, Michigan. But anyways, we're on Clark Street right now. We're going to get more into the houses and into the businesses up here. This is more of an industrial area. I just wanted to start the video off here because this is the beginning of Clark Street in Southwest Detroit. And if you want to see what it's all about, just watch this video. If you want to see more Detroit in the future, please subscribe. It's starting to get warm out. This morning it's already 60 degrees. A lot of construction around here for the Gordie Howe Bridge. But I plan on doing a lot of videos during the summertime, so if you want to see Detroit, now's the time to subscribe. And I'm doing my best to work on the playlists, getting more organized. But anyways, this is, back in the day over here on the right, this Clark Park, from what I understand, was a dangerous place. But they've done a lot. We'll go into this neighborhood too. I just want to start off by showing off this park. It's right by 75 and Clark. And back in the day, I hear it was pretty rough. Now it looks like it's really nice. They got places to exercise here. Looks like they got a basketball court. Obviously a lot of green space. You see people running out here. Kind of like the intro to Mexican Town too. But we'll make a left here on this one street. I'll show you a little bit of, there's just the neighborhood in general. Christiancy Street. I'll spell it for you up here. It's just a regular Saturday morning. Even during the nighttime, it's not too bad in my opinion out here. McKinstry Street. We'll go up one more. You get to see some of the houses. Pretty affordable to live out here compared to the rest of the United States, and I think in Detroit in general. We'll make it right here on Lansing, go towards West Werner. A little bit of everything out here as far as nationality, but you definitely feel the Spanish culture out here. I was supposed to, I wanted to go to the parade, the Cinco de Mayo parade that they have up here, but I missed out. They have a nice parade that they do every year during Cinco de Mayo. We'll keep going. Show you a couple of businesses, go around the neighborhood a little bit. But even like during the daytime, like further in the day, into the night, you see a couple people, all hanging out. I know a lot of people actually, but in my opinion, it's not that bad out here. Like if you wanted to go to this place, Mutiny Bar, I'll show you right here. Where this blue mural is. It's got a nice tiki bar theme. You come out here at night, you just park, should be all good. This is West Werner. And obviously, if you're familiar with Detroit, you just take it straight. And eventually you get to the Michigan Central, the train station. This is Clark right here. And you got the park on the right. This is Armando's La Michoacana. If I pronounced that correctly, I'm sorry if I didn't. The ice cream place, the bakery here on the left, this Mexican restaurant, all these places are good in my opinion. We'll make a left here in Scotten. El Club. We'll go down 2 or 3 more of these streets. I'm not seeing any abandoned houses, anything like that. Like I said, if you wanted to check out any of those places, even if it's, dark, you should be okay. It's not like one of those neighborhoods where you have to watch it like that. Obviously, just make sure that your valuables are not in, where people can see them. see, how am I gonna do this? I think I'm just gonna make a left. This is Palm Street. Hopefully I get somebody that lives in the area or has lived in the area. They see this. Maybe they get to... I get a lot of comments from people that see the videos. They used to live in the neighborhood. This is Toledo right here. We'll make a left. That way we can go back towards Clark Street. Show you a cool little mural right here. Once this car goes. I forget the name of this woman. We'll just make a left. I think I might try to make that the thumbnail. And then I believe that red building in the day is a store. Scotten Street, we're gonna go up towards Clark. Yeah, like I said, this isn't really that bad of a neighborhood. It's not like living in Bloomfield Hills though, you know what I mean? But as far as coming out here, this isn't too bad. And we're gonna go make a right on Clark. My grandpa used to work at Michigan and Clark up here on the right. Not gonna be a really long video, guys, because Clark isn't a really long street. Just wanted to do my best to post one video a day. So do every main street, urban exploring. I'm looking into doing historical videos, interviews, anything that's in Detroit, really. You know what I mean? There's only so many abandoned buildings I can explore, and with gas at almost $5 a gallon, it can get pretty expensive to drive around, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take advantage of the summer and get out there. And if you know, if I have in my description section, I have an email. I'll do my best to just make sure that I monitor my emails more. Maybe if you're in Detroit or you're around Detroit, you want to collaborate, you want to do a YouTube video, you got ideas and things like that, feel free to email me. I'm gonna take a day or two and get caught up in the comments. Yeah, my grandpa used to work right around here. This is Michigan and Clark. Not gonna see too many more houses around here though. On Clark, I mean. Yeah, all this. Even when I see like the stuff like that on the left, I think to myself what this was like when my grandpa was working around here. And he's 96 right now. You know what I mean? So this was like the 50s. And this is Scotten right up here. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video right now. I'm not too sure what they do across the street. I know there's a guard check over there. But let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate the support, and be safe out there. Have a good summer. A lot of things going on in the city of Detroit. Actually, you know, just too much. Too much going on in the city. So take advantage of it, and don't believe the hype that you hear about all the negativity. If you're from out of state, there's a lot going on. Now's the time to visit the city. If you got a passport or an enhanced driver's license, bring it so you can go over to Canada for the day. I hear it's $8. You know, it's recreational weed over here, but don't bring that over the bridge or across in the tunnel. I think you can buy it over there recreationally. I'm not 100% sure, but just come out here and have a good time in Detroit, you know what I mean? And it's the third year in a row that the population has gone up. You can see obviously right now, starting out on Scotten Street, there's opportunity for growth. At one time, all this area right here, they had houses. Easily fit another 250,000 people in Detroit, easily. But anyways, take care, and I hope you enjoy the video and enjoy your weekend.